Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Big boys are cutting it up the guts. Oh, goodness gracious me. I don't know what happened there, but the 11 just pilfered. He was like a thief in the night, and man, he's looking to outrun Hunter Kennedy, and he almost gets there, and I think he did get there. The arm goes up.
It's at the back of Hastings, and there we go. They've thrown it into the middle. They're driving it up. Is it? Oh, it's come out the back.
Who the heck is running there? Jeepers, it's the hooker. Lockie Varco. A great run there from Hastings boys. Number 2. He's looking for some more work too. Very industrious. And there we go, an attacking penalty, 5 metre out, centre field. This is position A, boys. Going for the quick tap. Shifting it out, double miss to the right-hand winger, Reef Robinson. Cracks it inside, and 15. Great try there from Walter Carver on the cutback. And
with number 22, Amani Serawalu, looking as though he's going to come on shortly.
Yes, he's a Fijian flyer, this chap, so I imagine we'll see him come on the outside backs. Meanwhile, Hastings looking to attack and making some good ground just midway 22 goal line here in the red zone. Panapalambu shifts it out to Walter Carver, and he scores his second. Piro for Walter Carver. Yeah. Oh, Famoina, show and go. Gee, that Panapalambu, he's been a solid
counter-arcing run up from the lot there.
Well, that was an outstanding Clark Sutcliffe.
That was
Piro
counter-up.
Having a purple patch.
Palmerston North are going in for the Ketu. They're taking it.
Oh, there was no arms in
no
that,
arms
baby.
in that tackle.
Oh, no, I didn't see the arms either. That was, jeepers. Tough as teak, the 21. To balance up the numbers in the scrum. Here we go. Speedy out to Bailey Natai Crib. Hunter Kennedy coming in at pace off at 15. Bailey Natai Crib making cheapers. He's very elusive. And there we go. Hunter Kennedy. Speedo under the sticks. Still in Hastings' hands. She comes. Oh, here we go. There might be. That might be the game. And the referee blows the whistle.
Full-time.
Final score, 23 points to Hastings, victorious over the locals, past the boys high 14s. 23-14 Hastings.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this.